Hayi bo manje ubani uLebi, ubani uLebi, ubani omunye ubani?
Thando.
Ubani uThando noLebi manje?
Yo, phela nguwe kati.
Manje uthini ngathi uyanibhanqa nje kanti into yakho?
Uwe uthando. Ore ukunika.
Ndiwuthemba mina mfethu khawume kancinci nawe man thathe lo muntu wami.
Uthatha umuntu wami.
Ithi into yakho.
They didn't even count you mfethu. Ukhawuntela abantu bo-2. So ufike ukuthi wena you're not on the list.
So you've been dating these guys for years. Omunye udate naye 4 years yonke, omunye udate naye 2 years.
2 years and 4
And then
years.
mina I'm in the middle.
You are 3 years but she didn't mention you. You're not.
Emveni kwayo yonke into enikwenzela yona, emveni kwayo yonke into ndiyakurentela ndikuthengela igross.
Leyo.
Come on dude.
So you are minister of what? Of food or what?
Man, yakho into esayilungisa ngcono siyeke man hayi.
Mara, you still calling her baby?
No, man ngcono siyeke cause kuyafana mos wesithathu out of come on.
Why are you calling her baby here?
Kolele ke.
Mfethu. Bofanele bantu ndiyifumane ngale ndlela yonke lento ngabantu bakusibani CMTV
You know what she said? She said satisfier. Angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngobani. Usatisfier bani?
Bani ukusatisfyayo ke phakathi kwami no Themba.
Uthi uyaba
This guy, who's this other guy?
Uthi uyaba satisfier yena.
Into ekudala le.
Jonga nto ndenzela ifavor ne. Undelete inumber yami efonini yakho, ukhuphe everything yakho kuma efonini yakho, yeva.
Hawu kanjani manje?
Hayi kuphelisekile into ebesidibanisa mfethu. Awuzukwazi ubhanqa nguwe. No, ndiyeke umama umntana wami emakhaya because of you ndizama ukubuild impilo nawe kanti no sharp hayi.
Okay, I have a question before you look. My sister, uthe wena umuntu wakho uyamsatisfier and vona izolo and then vona angithi
Yes, wena.
vona omunye futhi. So izolo uvaphile vo2.
Yo.
That was past.
Uvaphile vo2. Ukunikela izolo.
Yes, obviously bendizithanda ba umuntu wami egqibeleni mos.
Wawuthi ana uya uthi no akakunikanga.
Hey.